help us understand your view on the private banking space. Many of them have come out with the earnings, starting with ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, Bandhan Bank as well. How have you assessed the earnings from some of these major private sector banks, and do they point to a sustainable uptick that we have actually seen now finally coming in on the Nifty Bank led by the private banking space, sir?
So, ICICI Bank was basically decent this is set of numbers. Basically, the margins, also the asset quality was in line. Other income was actually higher than expectation. That is why your profit after tax is actually higher than expectation. So I think ICICI Bank should do well. But on the other hand, IndusInd Bank, IDFC First, these are the two private sector banks which actually did not do well. They have seen basically increase in the or there are this issues on there in terms of the asset quality. So I think it will more or less of this balance out. But on the other hand, public sector bank, if you see, Punjab National Bank had a very strong set of numbers. So I think overall, banking index will I think struggle, and this thing continue to to this underperforming market.
Dua Sahab, there is also this issue that the market is grappling with is even the best banking franchisees unable to improve upon CASA. In fact, Axis Bank has shown that CASA deposits have fallen from 46% to 42% in the quarter. Similar fears being raised by ICICI Bank. How do you think banking NIMs will react over the next 3 to 4 quarters as the bull run in the market gets better and better, and it continues to attract middle class money towards itself? What about fixed deposits? What do you think banks will do?
So when you have a mid double digit kind of this growth in the advances, there is always be a very big fight for the CASA deposits, liability side. That is what we are seeing, and that is where the strength of your franchisee is actually important. At what price, what rate you are able to garner these low cost basically inflows, and that's where we believe that ICICI Bank will stand out, State Bank of India will stand out. So these are the two names which have actually been doing very well for past few years, and we believe that these two stocks will continue to lead the rally. There were a lot of hopes of revival back in this thing HDFC Bank because of its strong this brand name franchisee. However, they are still struggling with the merger issues, and that is why the stock is underperforming. And I don't see those issues getting sorted out very fast. It will still take around say 4 to 6 months. So that's where I think you will have time to buy the stock, but ICICI and this is State Bank of India will be the leaders.